Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going from Columbus, Ohio to Lexington, Kentucky. Of course, when you get to the campground, this is what it looks like. Everything's set up, it's all fun and games, but it's not always that easy just getting there. The first thing we had to do, of course, was leave our current campground. So we had to truck our way out of Alum Creek State Park. Great place, by the way, I highly recommend it. We had to cross over the Ohio River into Kentucky. I had to get stuck in a gas station parking lot. Let me tell you what, this was pretty stressful. I'm still considered a rookie driver. I made some mistakes here by pulling into this gas station thinking I could fill up. Once I got there, I realized there wasn't enough room at the pump. And then, with all the construction going on, I had to navigate my way through these parked cars, a fence on the right-hand side. I'm obviously going the wrong direction through this parking lot. And I look back at it as a learning experience. As a rookie driver, you gotta pay attention to your surroundings. Don't get yourself trapped in a parking lot. Take your time, everything will work out okay. The good news is we stopped a couple of exits later at a real truck stop. We were able to fill up without any more problems, smooth sailing the rest of the way to the Kentucky Horse Park. And here we are arriving. I was able to use the parking spot across the street from our place so I could aim it, back up nice and straight, put it into the parking spot. We connected to the utilities, got everything set up, and it's almost time to relax. But first, we thought it'd be a good idea to do a little exploration, so we took a walk around the horse park, at least the campground anyway. It's a really nice place. There weren't very many people here when we arrived, but it did fill up. Speaking of fill up, one of these days soon that pool will be full too. A trip up on the roof just to see what's going on, and then a little bit of time around the fire to wind down at the end of the day. We added another state to the adventure, and thanks for stopping by to check in. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.